here to celebrate the 18th birthday of Ate Arjoy and to renew good relationships with our families, relatives, and friends. Continue to guide Ate Arjoy so she can make smart decisions as she turns 18. Continue to bless us too so we remain satisfied with the blessings we presently have and find joys even in the simplest and smallest things. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen.
Without further ado, let's all welcome Rohan's brother, Vincent Frank Nashad, and the parents, Frederick Nashad and Mineri Nashad. Let's go. Okay, Tom Cruise and Jennifer Lopez is
I told her I love the view from up here. Warm sun and wind in my ear. We'll watch the world from above as it turns to the rhythm of love. We may only have tonight, but till the morning sun, you're mine, all mine. Play the music low and sway to the rhythm of love. Well, my heart beats like a drum, a guitar string to the strum, a beautiful song to be sung. She's got blue eyes deep like the sea, they roll back when she's laughing at me. She rises up like the tide the moment her lips meet mine. We may only have tonight, but till the morning sun, you're mine, all mine. Play the music low and sway to the rhythm of love. When the moon is low, we can dance in slow motion, and all your tears will subside. All your tears will dry. And long after I've gone, you'll still be humming along, and I will keep you in my mind. The way you make love so fine. We may only have tonight, till the morning sun, you're mine, all mine. Play the music low and sway to the rhythm of love. Play the music low and sway to the rhythm of love. Yeah, sway to the rhythm of love.
Okay, you know, Austin, time flies so fast. I can still remember nung maliit pa si Arjoy. Tawag namin sa kanya, Bujujoy. Jojoy, nagagalit yung mami niya. Wag daw Bujujoy kasi parang tuta. Tapos nung lumaki siya, nagulat ako, tinawag siyang Ro. Who's Ro? Si Rohani pala. So I can still remember when she was a child, she had black hair, curly hair, she's Black Beauty. Well, up until now she is. And she loves to dance.
On my way in here, what time did we arrive? I rode in her car, so what time did we arrive here? 6:30 or something? When I entered through that door over there, I saw Frederick, the dad, watching over Joy's pictures. And then I stood beside him, and then he quietly said to me, "Time flies fast." I was so tempted to say, you're old. But when, kidding aside, as a father, when he said time flies fast, 2 seconds later, I remembered my own kid. Really, time flies fast. And you know what? We do respect all the young men here. Only fathers understand that. Time flies fast. And only mothers and fathers, understand that. Time doesn't fly fast.
You're right. Feeling ko nga, RJ is still a baby for me.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Naalala ko nung kinakarga ko pa siya eh. Tapos hindi ako marunong magkarga, naumpog yung ulo niya dun sa chair. Hindi ko sinabi kay Mami Ping niya kasi papagalitan ako.
So, revelation yan tonight.
So sorry.
After 18 years.
Okay. So, where are we now?
Okay. At this point, we'd like to formally request everybody to please stand up as we would like to welcome our one and only lovely debutante. No other than Miss Rohani Joy Ashad.
It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but I can wait. All the times I sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair, and she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, saying there's like joy. Nothing to say, 'cause I love her with all that I am. And my voice shakes along with my hands, 'cause she's all that I see, and she's all that I need. And I'm out of my dream once again.
Yes, and Mrs. Walker.
It's a
You may now take a seat. The mom being supposed to give a short speech, so we handed her the mic, you see? But then she said, I cannot do it. I will become emotional if I do it. So we gave in to her request. So we gotta move on to the next thing that we're supposed to do now. So what do we have next? Jenny.
It's gonna be a game for all of us. Okay, the game is called Single Word Description. So we are going to call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 important people from this room, and they'll be Miss Thelma Vito. Next is Alea Elias, another friend of our Joy. Frances Soriano, high school friend of our Joy. And lastly is KJ Vulture, friend of our Joy. Wow, ang dami ng fans. Alright, so do they have the letters already? Okay, letter R is for this lady. Letter R. Letter H, letter O, J, A, and I. What you need to do is you have to describe Rohani using that first letter or using that letter that you have in your hand. So for example, I got letter R. I think Rohani is realistic. Is that appropriate? I don't think so. Okay, so letter R.
A red lipstick.
Okay. All right. You want to say more?
Yeah, red lipstick stands. For me, you can wear red lipsticks even if wala kang masyadong makeup. You can fit you anywhere. So as well as Rohani, she can fit anywhere. I'm sure of that.
Yeah, that's right. Especially for black beauty like us. Okay, letter H.
Happy.
Why do you say she's happy?
Rohani. As you can see, Rohani now, nakasmile siya. Every time, every day, kahit siguro may problema siya, kahit sobrang pagod din sa mga practice niya, sa mga studies niya, happy pa rin siya always. Kasi kapag happy si Rohani, di ba happy tayo lahat? Right? Yes!
Okay, that's true. She's a happy girl. Happy nga dapat yung name niya eh. Okay, letter O.
Optimistic.
Why do you say?
Cause she's optimistic. She sees the brighter side of things and everything.
Hey, wow. Kilala nila si Rohani. Ganyan talaga siya. Kahit nung baby siya, kahit umiiyak siya, nakangiti. Okay, letter J.
Jade. Because she's precious as jade.
Oh, wow. Okay, spell J. Okay, diamond na lang. Alright, next. Letter A.
She's an array of color.
Wow, why do you say that?
She's like every color in a rainbow represents like a specific personality or symbolizes a specific personality. I think our joy is each one of those colors kasi she's an all-around amazing person.
Correct. Okay, very good. Parang teacher, no? Very good. Next pupil. Alright. You have letter N. Frances Riano, is that right?
Near my heart. Because she's been a very good ate to me when she was in high school. She's been a very thoughtful and caring ate. Tapos, napaka-talented din. She can balance both her studies and all her activities despite her busy schedule.
Okay, actually, nasa lahi namin yan. Hindi naman sa nagyayabang. Okay, now, last. Okay, you're the only, okay, two guys pala. Alright, letter I. How do you describe our joy?
Independent.
Why do you say that?
Kasi sobrang nakaka-amaze ni Ro kasi she's my blackmate and may training siya until 11 or 12 and she still manages to be a Vince Lister.
Okay, nice. Alright, well, thank you so much, participants, for those wonderful descriptive words. You may now sit down. Right, ushers, please assist our guests.
So for Joy, you okay? Happy? Alright, good. Alright, I'll be straight with you. Actually, food is ready. But before we can go to the buffet area, we're gonna play one more game. But the game is related to the eating, which will happen seconds from now. So it's gonna go like this. It's actually name that song. So my partner will give you the title of the song. For example, give me the title of a song. Example. I love you, you love me. And then you stand up, you know. One of you, by the way, each table should have a rep or representative. The rep will run to the front and then give the title of a song. Okay? Like the Barney song. Something like that, okay? Here we go. Ready? No trial. Because some of you look hungry already. Hungry, angry, or whatever, okay? Here we go. Ready? No more trial? Alright, here we go. First song.
If you know the title of the song, please raise your hand para Okay,
Come on,
right
ready?
now here.
Let's go.
Isa pa yung family. Mamaya. Isa pa yung family, okay lang? Isa yung
Ladies first.
Sige, tapusin muna natin sila. Direct po sila ha. Direct.
Ayan, hi! Happy birthday! Okay, okay.
Alright, just like yours, right now.
By the way, you can still come back. The John has just arrived. For those who have not gotten John. It's a bouquet. Why po ako talent ko? Bago makakita. Let's go.
Enjoy your dinner, man. See you later.
Picture mo
muna habang naghihintay kayong for. Walking smile! Go! Go ahead, closer, Walking naman!
Yel Murillo, Felisa Mozo, and Riza Valerio. Alright, we have 18 shots in front. Okay, so are we complete? Okay. Alright, so all of you, 18 girls, right? No boy. Alright. So all of you have to describe Rohani in just one word. Is that right? Using one word. And when everyone is finished, you will raise what do you call that? The shots, and you will say, cheers for Rohani. Okay, I would like to start from this tall lady. Near. Okay.
Rohani, active. Sa lahat yun.
Alright. Next.
Ro is very bubbly,
Okay.
versatile.
Versatile. That's nice.
Rohani is very resilient. Fantastic. Fantabulous. Amazing. Ro is flexible. She is brave. Hyper. Bubbly.
Explain ko akin.
Bubbly kasi walang araw na pagka nakikita ko si Rohani or nakakasama ko siya, nasaan siya, laging masaya. Rohani is very gorgeous. Rohani is very humble. Ro is driven. Or
Alright, so girls, are you ready? Please raise your shot. And let's say together, cheers for Ronnie. Ready? Oh, hold on. Ronnie doesn't have the shot yet. Okay, na-traffic lang po. May simbang gabi. Okay, girls, ready, set, go. Cheers for Ronnie.
There you have it. One more round of applause for Rohani and her 18 friends over here. Thank you, ladies. One shot for each. Thank you. Go back to your seat. No more second shot. Thank you. Go back to your seats. Thank you so much. Moving on. Rohani's first loves are her family members. Lola, Cristeta, Nasya.
Next is
Rohani, happy 18th birthday and 18th birthday. This is a gift for you. Sana magustuhan mo. At I know na you love dancing so much. And you remember, at the age of 5, your first dancing lesson is in Davao. your first performance is a ballet dancing. And the next time you came back to Davao, I remember na nag-enroll ka na naman ng summer class mo, dancing pa rin, right? Okay, this time, a traditional dancing and a modern dance naman. Kaya, doon ko nakita na nagkaroon ka ng passion sa dancing. So, up to now, nakikita ko yan sa iyo. But, still, you have your priorities. What I mean, unahin natin ang ating future. So, I hope na instead, dancing is a part of your life. So, your future plan ay andyan pa rin. Happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you, Lola Cristina. Next, we'll have Lola Nemia Camata.
Arjoy, yung regalo ko sa'yo, nakain niyo na lechon. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo ay, alam ko na baka may bata. Kailangan tapusin mo talaga ang pag-aaral, di ba? Tapos, alam ko naman masunulit ka sa magulang at mabait kang apo ko.
Thank you, Lola Nemia. May we now please Tito Nestor Sumagaysay and Ninang Ina Gasilio.
Ay, Rohani, hindi mo kilala masyado, no? Kasi pagka meron lang okasyon na ganito, nakikita tayo. Anyway, maybe you don't know it, no? But I'm so proud of you. I just came to know yung mga ginagawa mo through Facebook. I didn't even know that meron pala akong pamangkin na miyembro ng UST, what's that? Saligawi, o in a way, maski sa mga kaibigan ko, meron akong pamangkin dyan, o siya. Kaya natutuwa ako. Itong gift ko sa'yo, dalawa to. Una, yung isang mahal sa akin, syempre. I know you have your own copy of the Bible, but I gave you a youth Bible here because I want you to cling on, sabi ng Word of God. Your word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Kami ni Tita Edna mo, yun ang gusto namin mangyari sa'yo. You know, you're 18 now. Don't think na alam mo na lahat, but you know, you really have to depend upon God for wisdom. I know you're a good student, you're a bright student. So, huwag natin kalimutan na to depend upon God. Yan ang magbibigay sa atin ng success sa buhay. And then yung isang sweatshirt, hoodie sweatshirt. I don't know if you like the color, but the receipt is inside. You can have it changed any brands of Uniqlo. I hope you like it. Thank you.
Thank you, Tito Nestor. We'll have Ninang Tina for another short message.
Arjoy, happy 18th birthday. Thank you for having me here. Even though since 10 years old ka pa lang since huli tayo nakita, I'm happy for you, I'm proud of you, na na-achieve mo ngayon yung paniman yung gusto mo. I have a gift here, a journal and a watch. Yung journal, i-write mo dito, i-wrote down mo dito yung mga bagay na masaya, malungkot, good or bad things. Tapos, pag medyo depressed ka, just open it para makatulong sa reflections mo sa buhay. At yung watch, pahalagan mo yung bawat oras ng buhay. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Ninang Tina. Right now we have Gemma, the Tita, another Tita, Tita Gemma Jorge, and Tita Mary Grace Dino.
Arjoy, happy birthday. Ito yung gift ko sa'yo. So, wallet na yan. Pinili ko yung wallet kasi diba, parang a good person deserves a reward. And your parents spent so much for your birthday kasi you deserve it. Kasi you've been a good daughter, a good pinsan, a good sister. So you deserve yung mga rewards na yon. So kung bakit wallet, ayun, you've turned 18 and medyo mas lalong magiging complicated yung life habang tumatagal. So may advice, do not worry to do good things. And in due time, you will deserve a reward pa. So dyan mo lalagay lahat ng rewards mo. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Tita Gemma.
Happy birthday, Arjoy. First of all, I would like to greet you. Happy birthday. And I am very thankful because I will be given an opportunity to give you a piece of advice since this is a rare chance. Okay, now that you have turned 18, I know that you will be making a lot of decisions. And when you make minor or major decisions, you really have to plan well. So my gifts are the things that you need when you plan. Because when you plan, you have to sit down and you have to write down your plans. And then after making plans, of course, you have to treat yourselves. So there are chocolates and also shower bath. Okay, so happy birthday and I wish you all the happiness in life.
Thank you. Next, we have Tita Jessamine Hadiola.
Hani Rohani Rohani. Inside is a shirt full of math formulas. You are good in memory. You still have a journey before makagraduate ka. So here are some formulas for you to memorize. Happy birthday.
Okay, right now we'll have Lolo Bernie Miranda Jr. Hello.
Happy birthday. Alam mo, bihira lang tayo nakita, no? Although nakita tayo na maliit ka pa, nagkalaga ka, at least ngayon, muli tayo nakita, 18 ka na. By the Rohani, sana kaya masa puso mo, masa isip mo, ang pagmamahal, kaligayahan, kapayapaan, at ang lahat ng mga biyaya na siyang pagpapala na pinagkakaloob sa iyo ng Diyos. You have attained so much, no? But this time, sana attain more and reach something about the kingdom of heaven. Sinabi na yun dito kanina, nabigyan ka ng regalo ng isang Bible. No? Just please read it heartily, reflect, meditate kung ano ang mensahe na ibig na ipadama sa iyo ng Diyos. Sa ngayon, I wish that our Lord will give you more birthdays to come, long life, good health, and so on. Sana hindi lang sa iyo, kundi pati na rin sa iyo mga magulang, kapatid, mga kaibigan, at pati na rin po sa ating lahat na narito. Muli, happy birthday.
Alright, now, may we call on Ninong Rufino Lima Jr.
Hi Ro, nakikiro na rin naman. Arjoy, ako nga pala si Rafi Kima. Alam ko marami akong utang sa'yo, buti na lang may Facebook at doon ko nakikita yung mga achievements mo. Congratulations. Of course kami mga ninong, dapat yung mga ngalaga sa'yo, di ba? Pero you are very ably supported by your mom and dad. Talaga na-imagine ko kung gano'n silang supportive sa'yo at nakita naman natin yung achievements mo. At I'm sure marami ka pang ma-achieve. Happy birthday, Arjoy!
Next, we'll have Ninong Dr. John Johnson.
Hello, Rohani. Tulad ni Ninong Rafi, kami invisible to the eye. Sabi nga sa Little Prince, di ba, what is essential is invisible to the eye. So for the past 18 years, wala kami. Hindi mo kami naramdaman na may ninong ka pala. So payback kami ni Ninong Rafi ngayon. Pero alam mo ba, na meron ng Rohani kahit na wala ka pa sa mundong ito? Alam mo yon? Alam ba ng mga friends mo yon? Alam niyo po ba na ang Rohani existed already kahit na wala pa si Arjoy noon, no? Ang Rohani yata ay parang code name ni Fred at ni Bing nung nagliligawan pa sila sa college. Tama ba ako? Tama, no? Oo. Si Fred, si Bing, si Ninong Rafi, at saka ako magkasama po kami sa student paper sa kolehiyo. And then we started a literary journal na pakanari ni Fred nun at ni Bing. Ang pangalan nun, The Horizon. Tapos, gumagawa sila ng mga tula para sa isa't isa. Ang byline ay Rohani. Yun, ginawa pang tawag nito? Ginamit pa yung literary journal sa pagliligawan nila. Anyway, Rohani, you existed even before you were not born. So, you know, may pag-ibig na, may love, no? Kahit na wala ka pa noon, no? And between your mom and your dad. So I hope, kahit na wala kami lagi ng mga ninong mo, nararamdaman mo na mahal ka namin lagi. Okay? And hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ireregalo ko sa'yo. I asked many people kung ano ba gusto ng 18-year-old na babae ngayon. So first, tinanong ko yung misis ko, nung 18 years old ka, anong gusto mo regalo? Sabi niya, cassette tape ng New Kids on the Block. Sabi ko naman, una cassette tape, hindi alam ni Rohani anong cassette tape. Pangalawa, wala ng New Kids on the Block ngayon, lolo na sila, di ba? Parang si Ninong Rafi, lolo na yun. So I also ask other people, gusto daw nila bags, gusto nila bracelets, no? Tinanong ko yung sister ko, 18 years old din siya. Sabi niya, kuya, magandang bag. Pero tinanong ko naman yung isang pinsan ko na 18-year-old, bracelet. So hindi ko na alam, litong-lito ako. So sabi ko, bahala ka na lang kung anong gusto mo. Basta maramdaman mo na mahal ka namin at kahit na invisible to the eye kami, lagi kaming nandito. Okay? Happy birthday!
Next, we'll have Ninang Carol Soriano.
Okay, I was informed that I'll just say one-liner. But anyway, I would like to congratulate Mr. and Mrs. Nashat. You are the fruits of their teaching. You are not what you are if not for them. Rohani, you were my student, and one-liner na po. You were my student, and you're a God-fearing child. Keep it up, Rohani. My gift is something that will nourish you spiritually, that will guide you all year round. So congratulations, Rohani. I have this wish for you, 3H, Rohani, that you'll always be happy, healthy, and holy. I wish you bright future, Rohan. Sana pagdating ng panahon, magkakakita ka rin ng lalaking kagaya ng tatay mo na mamahalin ka unconditionally. Mamahalin ka ng wagas. So, congratulations, Rani. You deserve the best.
Next, we have Joy's former kindergarten teacher, Joey Aquino.
Hi Arjoy, happy 18th birthday. Before I give my gift for you, I would like to, I just want you to know that I'm so touched that you consider me and remember me as one of your precious gems. Thank you for inviting me here. This is my gift for you, a lampshade. It symbolizes light. I am giving this to you to lighten up your dreams through your dream. Happy birthday.
Next, we'll have a family friend, Evangelina Orga.
Happy birthday. You're so beautiful, young lady. So here's to you enjoying your adult nightlife. Cheers.
And we'll have another family friend, Alevi Galvez.
Hello, Rehani. Wish lang namin ni tito mo na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Manatili ka sanang magalang, mabait, masunurin sa magulang. Yung gift ko actually, ang gusto ko agang ibigay sa'yo. Remember nung grade 3, pagpasok ko pa lang ng classroom, wala kang ginawa kung hindi. Yumuko, parang lagi kang may hinahanap sa bag mo. Correct. Pero, swerte ka, kasi kasama ko si Tito Lawrence mo. Siya ang namimili ko. Naway, sa bawat pag-ikot nito, bawat minuto, yung gagawin mong desisyon sa buhay ay pag-isipan mong mabuti. Dahil tandaan mo, hindi mo na maibabalik ang panahon. So, mag-desisyon ka ng tama at sinabi ko nga, isipin mong mabuti. Happy birthday mula sa akin tsaka sa tito mo.
Thank you. Now we have Joy's former grade school teacher, Gertrude Villapato.
Gusto na natin.
Rohani, you were under me, your class advisor when you were in grade 3. This young lady was very active in class and well loved by her classmates, most especially by the girls. The very distinct character or way of this girl was her being fashionista. Why fashionista? When she comes to school, she would wear her bololoys, dangling earrings, bracelet, and the like. Tapos, hindi ko pinapansin. Hanggang one day, someone told me about her. Ma'am, yung anak mo, iba yata ang itsura. Hindi ko pinansin yon kasi bata siya. At ang sabi ng co-teacher ko, ma'am, siguro ginagaya ka kasi lagi kang nakapustura pagpasok sa school. Ngayon, kinausap ko naman siya, okay lang darling kako, walang masama yan. Kaya lang, huwag masyadong obvious kasi tutularan ka ng mga kaklase mo, right? Now, but this girl, iba talaga ang ugali. Sabi ko, I was thinking every day, iba ang batang ito. Pag-isip ko, she is really an angel. Angel to her classmates, angel to me, kasi maya-maya, pumapasok siya, malambing siya, at mabait sa klase. Kaya ang aking regalo sa iyo ngayon ay aking open it, darling. Ito po ang angels. Ito ho yung aking gawa dahil ang siya ay talagang angel. Ito ay cross stitch na ginawa ko. Sana maalala mo. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. And next we have the dance teacher, Ingrid Delfino.
Rohani. Every time your name comes into to my mind, ang pumapasok sa isip ko ang napakagaling na Rohani, very flexible, very talented. Now, remember, flexibility is one of the greatest things in being a dancer. You invest time, you invest like weeks, months, years and years to be able to achieve it. And you, Rohani, you're very lucky to have this gift. You are a very talented girl. Ito, talaga na pala, lady. Now, I'm happy to know that one of your dreams is to become a performer in Disneyland. I think I've told you about my three former dance club members who are now working in Disneyland. And you, Rohani, you will just continue to work hard. Just work hard. Commit, value your time, and keep your heart warm by dance. You will be able to achieve your dreams. And here is my gift to you to remind you about your dreams.
Alright, now may we call on Miss Maybelline Oriola.
Rohani, please accept my simple gift. This is a beauty secret to keep you pretty and beautiful. Happy birthday.
And our last gem for tonight is Miss Olive Erpelo.
Hi, Arjoy. Bali, ako yung ninang mo na wala rin for 18 years. Bali, last time akong nakita ka 1-year-old ka anak ko. So, through Facebook, salamat at doon ko nakita, nasubaybayan yung pag-aaral mo, yung doon ko nalaman na kasali ka sa sa USD. So, dahil proud ang mama mo, nagiging proud din ako sa'yo. Sana, pagpatuloy mo yung pag-aaral mo, ma-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At lagi mo tatandaan na ang Diyos ay lagi na sa'yo. Regalo ko sa'yo, make-up. Dahil sabi ng mami mo, hilig mo rin yun. So, alam mo kakailanganin mo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, thank you so much, 18 Gem.
A girl like you before because you are different. And being different is being true to you. I wish that you will stay happy and stay happy.
Hi, Ate Arjay. Happy 18th birthday. You were a good cousin, a good ate, and I wish you a successful life, high grades, and I wish you to
bright and the best things for you.
Next we'll have her Aunt Rio Sumagaysan.
Hi, Joy Joy. Happy birthday. Magdalaga ka na. Tapos yung sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral, huwag ka mo ng boyfriend. Sana, panitiliin mo lang yung pagiging proud sa'yo ng pamilya mo. And my birthday wish for you is to continue to love yourself, never stop dreaming, and may beauty and happiness surround you, not on your special day, but always. Happy birthday.
Next we have Patricia Tambago.
Hi, Rohani. So, we've known each other since we were younger, and you haven't changed. You're still the charming, cheerful, appreciative, and the talented girl that I know. And ngayon in college, I've been mas naging fan ako sa'yo. So, whenever I see your posts in Twitter and Facebook, I know that you're happy where you are now. And what I wish for you is that you continue being a blessing to others like what you have always been. And yeah, that's it.
High school friend Riza Torrecampo.
Hi, Ro. I wish you all the happiness that life has to offer. Alam mo na yan, haba ng message ko sa'yo. I love you, Ro, and alam kong ma-achieve mo lahat ng para mo sa buhay. Love you.
Another high school friend, Andrea Banadero. Andrea Banadero, your turn.
Happy birthday. I wish you every happiness and sana continue mo mag-inspire ng other people as you always have, especially sa akin. So God bless and happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Iya De Leon, your turn.
Hello. So yun, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, ipatuloy mo yung kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa'yo, which is, I know, dancing. As in, bata pa lang tayo, as in grade school. Dance club na. So hanggang ngayon, college, yun. Masaya ako kasi tinupad mo yung parang yung passion mo. So huwag kang mag-stop doon. And alam kong madami pang future sa'yo. Ang galing mo sobra. I love you.
Next we'll have Catherine Malyari.
Happy legality, Ro. I'm so sorry I couldn't make it to your special night, but still, here's my message for you. First of all, I'm so thankful to have you as my friend and forever dance partner in high school. I'm so glad na I've known such a funny, baliw, and down-to-earth friend like you. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me, for letting me invade your phone's camera every now and then, and for simply listening to my stories back then. Now that you're 18, I wish you the best in life, more blessings, more achievements, and more happiness to come your way. So yon, stay the same. I miss you so much and I hope to hang out with you soon. Happy birthday, Ro. I love you. Enjoy your night.
And now we have Joyce Blockmate, Nika Perez.
Hi, Rod. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is all the happiness and sana ma-maintain mo yung high grades and keep dancing. See you in dorm. See you at the dorm. I love you.
Another blockmate, we have Patricia Agustin. Patricia Agustin, your turn.
Okay, she has a letter for you, Arjun. It's an excuse letter.
Now we'll have Salingawi member Natasha Albinia.
So from the very start of my experience in Salingawi, during our trainings, I've seen Ro as someone who's proud and mataray. She's that person who's really responsible to the point of putting every puzzle piece into its place. And ever since I knew that she was also a scholastican, I then understood that she's got that scholastican drive. She's that one who excels in the things she does and the one who does things in perfection. So here's my wish for you. And it's for you to stay that driven and responsible person as the way you are now. Get everything you want and all those hopes, dreams, and aspirations. Continue having faith in yourself as to how beautiful... Hello? Continue having faith in yourself as how beautifully confident you already are. Always love despite every detail of everything. Love till it hurts, even if it hurts, especially when it hurts. Diba? It's sad. And of course, don't forget to stay happy even when you're hurt. Embrace it. Embrace the pain because eventually it'll just be another rock you've just stumbled upon. So happy 18th birthday and continue dancing, spreading your talent, and stay as everybody's shining star. Love you!
We'll have another Salingawi member, Daryl Romero.
Hi, Ro. First of all, very thankful ako kasi naging friend kita. And naging close tayo na alam ko na nasasabi mo sa amin yung very deep and yung deepest secrets mo. And sana hindi ka magbago, maging komportable ka pa rin sa mga pagkakwento mo sa amin. And alam ko na sobrang sipag mo mag-aral na hindi ka na nga nakakasama sa amin pag lumalabas. Lagi kang missing in action. And wish ko na sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo. May you continue to dance and continue to share your talent. And may God continue to bless and shower you with blessings. Batchmates forever. Love you, Ro. Happy birthday.
One more Salingawi member, Lorena Enriquez.
Hi, Ro. Happy 18th. First of all, thank you for being a friend. Nung cheerleaders pa lang tayo, ikaw yung una kong basta yun. Ikaw, isa ka sa pinakauna kong nakausap and naging comfortable ako sa'yo hanggang ngayon. And basta thank you sa lahat. Alam mo na yun. Wish ko sa'yo sana matupad lahat ng dreams mo, like yung sa Hong Kong Disneyland, yung pag-being dancer. Sana matapos ka ng pag-aaral mo and yun lang. Love you.
Now we'll have Joanna Del Valle.
Hi, Ro. Happy birthday. Alam mo ba namimiss na kita maging kador? Kasi wala na akong maabutan. Wala na akong mahihintay sa pag-uwi kasi late ka na umuwi pag-training. Tapos sana, magkaroon ka pa ng madaming blessings. Tapos ipagpatuloy mo yung pagkakaroon mo ng lakas ng loob tsaka ng mabuting puso. Tapos huwag ka rin titigil sa pagpapasaya ng ibang tao. Yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Next we'll have another Salingawi member, Elma Vito.
Hi, Ro. First of all, thank you sa lahat. Thank you kasi naging part ka na batch natin. And wish ko sa'yo, sana ipagpatuloy mo lang yung passion mo when it comes to dancing. And mas maging responsible ka sa lahat ng bagay. Andito lang yung batch for you, lagi. Love you, Ro. Happy birthday.
Natalie Flores, it's your turn.
Hi, Ro. Happy birthday. Thank you. Sobrang dami nating pinagdaanan. Naniniwala na ako na may forever. Thanks. Ayun, sobrang thank you sa lahat-lahat. Alam mo naman na isang tawag mo lang, di ba? Ayun lang. Yun lang sabihin ko. I love you so much. I love you. I love you.
Ninya Gochi, the floor is yours.
Hi, Ro. Wait lang. Ayun, natutuwa lang ako kasi kahit sobrang busy natin pareho, pag nagkikita tayo parang walang nagbago talaga. So yun talaga, naniniwala talaga ako na tatagal yung friendship natin kahit parehas tayong workaholic. Yun. So, wish ko lang sa'yo is love yourself. Alam ko sobrang passionate mo sa mga bagay, pero kailangan din magpahinga yan. Pero alam ko naman na kaya mo yan. Pero kapag hindi mo na kaya, nandito lang kami. Yun lang. Love you.
Last and certainly not the least, we have Christian Daida.
Hi! Happy 18th birthday, Buju Joy! Hindi ka na yung little girl ko. Ang wish ko sa'yo ngayong araw is that you continue to become somebody who's responsible, somebody who's strong, and somebody who believes in herself a lot. And alam ko na I've seen you cry, I've seen you laugh so hard. Nakita ko yung downs and yung ups mo sa buhay. Kasi nung high school, lagi tayong magkasama. Dati, alam ko lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo. Pero ngayon na college na tayo, medyo syempre, alam kong magkabilang mundo tayo kasi nasa Katipunan ako, tas nasa, sa UST ka, sa Espanya ka. Sana lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Kasi kahit na hindi mo ako laging nakikita or laging nakakasama, sana it would always be inside your heart na nandito lang si Chen for you, and kahit kung kailangan mo ng panakibutas, nandito ako lagi para sa'yo. Pero, happy birthday. May God bless you, and I love you very much.
I'd like to request all the 18 wishers to just please stay where you are while I call the parents of the debutante to go to the stage and be with...
Diyan pala yun, okay? So, you have already, learned something from your ninong and ninang na not existing. Siyempre, si Rafi Tima, diba? First birthday, he was there. Tapos, sa TV, nakikita mo siya kasi sabi ko, ninong mo yan. Tapos, si Johnson, yung kanina po na he actually revealed something about our loudness, okay? Sa kalye daw, totoo po yun. So, yung mga barkada ko po, tapos, and I would also like to thank Rohani na dapat maging thankful tayo and grateful for all His blessings. Si Marisomani nandyan, Sunday ngayon, diba? It's supposed to be family day. Pero nandito sila, more than 150 people are here. So, blessed na blessed ka talaga. And I wish, ano ba mag-wish ko? Kasi mag-wish na nila, 18. So, siguro wish ko lang, huwag mo nang mag-aasawa. Yes. Okay, and sana you just have to be strong because you really are a strong person, very intelligent, and very good.
I am not a good speaker, but I can write. Writer kasi may tanda. At then, nabigyan ka ng spark. Kung mo na si Oscar na sinabi niya, time goes by fast. At time runs fast. Tapos si Chong, si editor chief namin sa Creative Observer, na nilibig niya, gumagawa ng poll. So, kanina, nag-scribble ako, nagagawa ko ng poll. ang title lang. Oh, how fast time flies. Just like a wild thief in disguise. We follow our dreams and build memories. And make special moments such as this. Our little mermaid has grown 2 feet. Now she dances on her own beat. This little area is having a transformation because today she adores One Direction. Ever since she's young, she loves to dance. We have nothing else to do but to take the chance. Even since she's young, she loves to do things her way. But what I like about her is that she never forgets to pray. You're a big girl now, but you're still my little joy. We're very proud of you, and you'll always bring us joy. So today, in this very expensive, this very exclusive day, we are here today.
Happy birthday! Yes, Rohani po is actually our pen name. Yung Rohani na, siguro strong si editor-in-chief, so sila nakakaalam, so nilagay-edit ang article namin. Yung Rohani is my pen name because I was also one part of our literary paper and our school paper. Tapos, when he gave me a letter, tapos na nakalagay doon, Rohani, it was my mother who received the love letter. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, bakit sinusulat ang love letter sa sarili mo? So I am the Rohani, and then this is the fruit of our love, Rohani.
Shall I request all the well-meaning wishes to gather around the lady talk, please? The 18 well-meaning well-wishers, please gather around the lady talk. We're going to be singing the birthday song. I'd like to request everyone to, please stand up. We're going to sing happy birthday song. But first, I'm going to call in Joyce, Joyce Adipa to lead us in the singing of this song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Where's the signature frame that's being passed around? Will you please, take the floor, it's your moment, man.
Yeah, so I want everyone, most especially the girls here, the young women and alive, okay, to see.
The whole town, life is a playground, yeah. I'm not a kid no more, so I must open doors and make it feel like the Mama raised me to be classy, I'm mercy, I'm happy to please you. A real man Jacob Lau.
Fixing my legs, maybe just for me. But bad isn't mine, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks. And it all makes sense to me. You used to call me on my cell phone. Call me on my cell phone.
As a Earl John Miranda. Let's go, Fernando's Magaysay. Ryan Galvez.
My head is stuck in the clouds. She begs me to calm down, says boy, quit fooling around. I told her I love the view from up here. Warm sun and wind in my ear. We'll watch the world from above as it turns to the rhythm of love. We may only have tonight, but till the morning sunrise.
Next guy will be her blondmate, KG Culture.
Tito Joel Torres.
Another celebrity, Tito Joel.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of
Totoo
my
po, saan po
love?
ba?
Will your eyes still smile from your cheek?
Hindi po na Orient, sorry.
Darling, I